Thank you media.
Ikinya ikinya AHURANIRI IHOTO cia UMUNDU Bob Njagi na Nicholas Oyoo mekinyirie giikaro-ini kiria gikuhariirio kiandikia mohoro mathaini ma miaraho ya umuthi thiku nini thutha wa kuhonoka MINYAMARIKO na KIGIRIKO kiria matungirio ni maabitha mbiraru a bururi wa Uganda gwa thiku 38 kuma manyitwo MIGWATE tauni-ini ya Matuga bururi-ini ucio wa Uganda.
At 10 o'clock in the morning, about 7 armed men, heavily armed military men, confronted us, and one of them introduced himself as an officer and said that we need to go with you, you need to come with us. And when I saw the formation, I knew that we have to comply, otherwise we might even expose ourselves to more danger.
It was a harrowing experience, I can tell you. You don't know if it is a matter of your being going to be done something, or you find yourself in a, I don't know how it's going to be finished. You don't know the outcome, what is going to be. You have been blindfolded, and those people are even making comments. In Kasenyi, somebody told me that they are Special Forces Command, and a Special Forces Command has a very small report, that if he has 5 bullets, it is 5 people.
Njagi na Oyoo magitaririo ria mahingiirwo kambi-ini ya mbiraru cia Uganda ya Kasenyi thutha wa kunyitwo MIGWATE mbere ya gucoka gutigithukanio gwa thiku 14 na kuhingirwo kundu ngorani guku mathiaga na mbere gutungio bara nditu ni maabitha mbiraru aria mamendaga mataririe gitumi gia icera ria bururi-ini ucio wa Uganda.
In Kasenyi, it's a military camp. Let me tell you, you wake up at 3:30, not because you want to wake up from your uncomfortable sleep sometimes, but it is because you hear bullets and bombs and people shouting there. They are training there. It's a military training camp.
Iguru rio ni makuruhanetie thirikari ya Kenya na kunyitanira na Uganda hari kunyitwo MIGWATE kwao kuona mahithukirio mari ceceni-ini ya kwenderia maguta thutha wa kunyita itemi mucemanio-ini wa kiuteti wa kiama kia NUP kiria gitongoragio ni Bobi Wine undu umwe na gwikururia gwa thirikari ya Kenya hari kuhinyiriria kurekererio kwao kuma kuria maigitwo.
Our arrest was a coordinated arrest between the Kenyan government. They knew we were crossing over into Tanzania. They raised the alarm there, and those guys did the dirty job for them. So we as a people have decided we are going to unite across borders between the Tanzanian people, the East African community, and to ensure that we put a check on the excesses of this government.
Area ya matariirie ati mahingiirwo hamwe na raia kuma mabururi mangi aria nao manyititwo MIGWATE mari bururi-ini ucio wa Uganda. Aingi ao na family ciao itikoragwo na umenyo wa kuria mathire thutha wao kunyitwo MIGWATE na kuhingirwo ceceni-ini icio iria maugite nginya irio maraheagwo cia guthimirwo iguru ria kuigwo nduma-ini.
The Minister for Internal Affairs, Mutafiri, he's looking for his brother. He was my bedmate. His brother has been in the same place for 4 months. The family doesn't know where he is. They think he's dead. I left him in the cell, and he asked me, Bob, he asked me to talk to you to make sure the message gets to the president, because the president is not aware about some of these things. It is the son, Muhozi, who is undertaking these crimes against humanity.
Area ya mehitite kwaga kuguoyohio ni MINYAMARIKO eno matungirio ende magite hinya wa kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu na makiria igoko makenirira kunyitanira na raia mabururi ma Tanzania na Uganda kuhonokia mabururi macio kuma moko-ini ma wathani wa koigi oterwo.
Also in Kenya, we are declaring December 9th will be a total shutdown. We are going to stand in solidarity with our brothers in Tanzania, and we are going to shut our borders in Kenya in solidarity with Tanzania. The Tanzanian embassy, we are actually calling for it to be closed down immediately until further notice.
Gerivotera Kameme TV, Jitogo Mohura, Wagunya.